Hello, this is Lorenzo from EventSmart, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up a webinar with donation options using EventSmart. If you're planning a virtual event where you want to raise some funds for a charity or nonprofit, then this video is for you. So right now we are viewing the event editor for EventSmart, and we'll continue by entering in a title. So let's go with something like a webinar fundraiser. And next, I'm going to drop in some event details so we could check them out together. So this is a webinar to benefit a charity, and we're going to offer a free registration option plus different donation amounts. It's going to be hosted on the afternoon of December 10th from 1 p.m. till 2 p.m. And then here are our various registration options. Okay? So I'm going to scroll down and we can start setting up this event by starting with the event date. So I'll click on the event start field here, and then I'm going to use the selector to move towards December and then choose the 10th. Then I'll use the time selector to adjust this from 8 till 1 and then click on done. And then we're going to update that end time. So again, use that selector and slide it back till we are at 2 p.m. So that looks good. All right, so far we've set up the event date. Now let's say that our virtual meeting solution lets us have up to 100 attendees. In that case, we can set a limit right here. So we'll enter in 100. And now we can scroll down a little bit further and start setting up those registration options. So we'll start with the first one, which is register for free. So I'll type that in. And then I'll go to the sell until field, click on that, and adjust it so that registrations are open up until, let's say, 1 hour before the event begins. So that's going to be 12 p.m. So I'll use the slider and move that back. All right, so that is 12 p.m. and I'll click on done. So now we have to set up those donation options, and we have 4 of them. To save a little bit of time, what I'm going to do is shortcut this process by duplicating this existing option here. So this is the option to do that. You can click on this icon. I'll do that 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll start copying the options here and then just paste them in. We'll update that to 250, and then let's grab that last one and we'll update that to 500. Next, I'm going to go to the pricing columns for each of these and update those details. So we have 50, 100, 250, and 500. Okay, so the way that the event will work is it will accept any combination of these registration options until the 100th guest registers. Once there are 100 guests, it will no longer accept registrations. Okay, so I'm going to scroll up and click on this Save Draft button up here in the top right. And now I'm going to open up this new link here, and let's go check out this draft event together. So here is our event. Remember, here are the details that we talked about, and here is the free option, and then we also have these register and donate options in different amounts. Now you'll notice that you can actually select multiple registrations. Usually what I see on webinars is you can select a single option, so let me show you how to set that up. So we're going to go back to that other tab, and I'm going to scroll down, and we're still looking in the top right area up here. So right now the maximum number of tickets option is set to 10. I'm going to change that from 10 to 1, and then go back up and click on Save as Draft. Okay, then I can come back to this other tab here and just refresh, And now you can see that it no longer allows multiple ticket selections. Okay, so for example, let's say that I wanted to register for this webinar and I wanted to register and donate 100. I'd simply click on that option and click on this Register Now button. So that is an overview of how to set up a webinar with donation options using EventSmart. Thanks.